Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account in quotex. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google quotex. Here you need to open the website and innovative platform for smart investment. Register and get 10,000 on a demo account. So if you want, you can open demo account, and if you want to register, you simply need to click on that. And here you can see two options: login and registration. So here you can see I want to create account, so I want to register. So first you enter your email address, then you need to enter your password. Here you need to select your currency, and after that you need to confirm that I am 18 years old or older. I am confirmed that I am 18 years old or older and accept. Then you simply need to click on register. Once you click on register, your quotex account will be created. So this is the simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.